This event has many familiar faces of some of the business leaders around the UK, so it's fantastic to share our thoughts, our strategy, and the context of the digital revolution, what it means to citizens, what it means for doing more for less. You know, our view is government have got to provide the best digital services to citizens, better than eBay, better than Amazon. That's what we're aspiring to do.
So I get to meet some of the crazy ones trying to drive change and trying to build those billion-dollar businesses.
The top 3 business books in this order. I'm sure many of you read these books, or if you haven't, that they're apparently the top 3 business books to read.
The software apps market, they're valuing at $321 billion. And the reasons for this, surprise, surprise, big data analytics, digital business, e-commerce related business, and David Rowan mentioned the Internet of Things.
Many of you, I'm sure, either own or aspire to own the internet-connected Sartis toilet. It's about £4,000. Comes with its own Android app. Most interesting thing that's happened the last few months is this thing called the Oculus Rift, which for the first time has made credible what we used to call virtual reality, creating another way of looking at the world. Already, Facebook bought them for $2 billion, by the way. Companies like OmSignal that make these smart clothes that have sensors in them. This one, it takes your heart rate, the number of steps you've taken, even your breathing, and this one claims to know your mood. Apparently this gentleman is excited. It says it there. It's science.
Right across government, this digital revolution's taken place. So we've got 25 exemplars across the whole of government, just giving you an example of a few of these today. But from a standard start of 5 years ago of no kind of digital services, by the end of this Parliament, 1/3 of all transactions will be digitised. We're spending on behalf of the taxpayer 14.3 billion less to deliver the same. So this represents about 3.5 million primary school places. So it's kind of important stuff that means something. It protects frontline services and vulnerable people. You know, 400,000 nurses' salaries per year, so it kind of matters. But boy oh boy, there's a transformation, a sea change in government where we're really putting innovation at the heart of business, putting users at the heart of government, and doing things in a radically different way than took place even 5 years ago.
Every year we carry out an extensive survey of the market, and we like to feed that back some key points today. This year we interviewed over 250 senior executives, 41 chief executives in Europe, and almost 180 vice president level software executives across 8 different countries. Big data, particularly around analytics, social CRM, mobile app. A good mixture this year between e-commerce, big data, data visualization. 68% of our respondents believe general business conditions are better now than they were a year ago.
But the latest data I could find from Ernst & Young suggests that the UK is actually number 1 by a great margin for foreign direct investment, and the bulk of that foreign direct investment comes from America and comes also to the software and technology industry. Salary and comp, the least of a concern. No progression in career path is the biggest concern. The enterprise software marketplace is hot, there's no doubt about it. Everybody wants your people. There's a definite skill shortage for high-end, high-quality sales and pre-sales executives. Without doubt, we've proven the salary and earnings inflation. 55% of us care a great deal about losing our performance. It's on my mind. And indeed, the importance now of staff attraction and retention strategies as the market hots up.